Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC Cabriolet. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with illuminated star in the grille, 18-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels, a saddle brown MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, C300 4MATIC badging, ventilated neck scarf. Opening up the trunk, we've got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium one with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, ambient lighting, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera and sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, wireless charging, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns, our different parking cameras, our button for a retractable roof. This C Cabriolet has 6,944 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC Cabriolet, visit us at feldmanimports.com.